Welcome to Halaxy. You've just joined thousands of medical and health practices dedicated to making healthcare better. Halaxy is practice and patient management software customized specifically to your profession and to your practice setup. Whether you're a sole, group, or large multidisciplinary practice, Halaxy doesn't just reduce your administration. Halaxy removes it entirely so you can get back to what really matters, treating your patients. With Halaxy, all you need to do is make a booking and everything is done for you. The invoice, clinical note template, patient record, reminder, financial report, and even the payment. This saves you minutes per appointment, giving you up to an hour of your day back. In this video, we're going to set up your practice, including your practice details and hours and your practitioner profile. And then we'll create your first appointment so you can see how the Halaxy workflow automates your admin for you straight away. By the end of this video, you'll be able to start running your practice from your calendar, all in under 5 minutes. Let's jump in. The most important thing to get started in Halaxy is to set up your practice details. On the sidebar, click Personal, then click Locations. Click Edit, then enter your practice details for this location, including your business address, CRN, and contact details. You can also choose a color for the location. This color codes your practice hours for this location in your calendar. Click Save. Now let's add your practice hours. Next to hours, click Add another schedule. If you have the same practice hours every week, set the schedule frequency to weekly. Then click Add New to add your hours to your weekly schedule. You can add more days or a different time segment on the same day. Don't forget to leave time for lunch. When you're done, click Save. Next, click Profile to set up your professional information. In the top right, click Edit and enter your personal details and contact email address. Now, you can enter your qualifications, professional description, and areas of focus for your Halaxy directory profile and online bookings page, which we'll cover in a later video. When you're ready, click Save Profile. Great, your practice is set up. By entering your details once, they automatically transfer across to your calendar, invoices, and letterheads for you. You're now ready to manage and automate your practice, all just by making appointments. Click the Halaxy logo to open the calendar. Your calendar is now color-coded based on your location practice hours. Click a specific date and time in the calendar to create an appointment. Type the patient's name, then click the drop-down to add them as a new patient. You can then fill out as much or as little of the patient's details as needed. This creates a patient profile in your Halaxy software where you can add more details later. Next, under Fees, type the name of the service you're providing and click in the drop-down to add it as a new fee. For this tutorial, we'll be creating an initial consultation appointment for a patient paying out of pocket. In the pop-up, let's configure this fee so you can use it again for future appointments. For funder, type Private and select Import Private from the drop-down. Since the patient will be paying for the service, this funder automatically configures their invoice accordingly. Halaxy also has preset funders such as medical card or GP visit card for when you provide services for these card holders. When you import these funders, they are pre-configured to enable you to add your medical council registration number and doctor number. Next, configure the details of the service you are adding, such as duration, the amount you're charging, and even the color for how appointments for this service appear in your calendar. These will all be saved to this fee for future appointments. When you're ready, click Add Fee. Now save the appointment. As you can see, just by following the simple process of creating an appointment, you've also completed several other tasks. You've created a new patient profile. You've set up a new fee for your practice. You've automatically generated an invoice and a clinical note for the appointment. In the invoice, all the correct information is populated. You can even add your identification numbers, which will now automatically display for any private fee at this location. This is the power of Halaxy. Everything is automatically linked, so you can manage every aspect of your practice just from your calendar alone. So now you can say goodbye to administration and hello to a galaxy of health where everything is automatically done for you, so you can focus on treating your patients. Welcome to Halaxy.